so much for tuning into my channel. I have something really exciting to show you today, and you're probably wondering, Tiff, what's going on with your hair? Well, you guys know I have a new true love for wigs. I'm like completely obsessed with wigs. Outre wigs to be exact. And no, I'm not being paid to do these videos, but I just genuinely love these wigs and I want to share them with you guys too. So today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to show you guys the newest wig that I've added to my collection that I absolutely love. It's the Outre Quick Weave Penny Wig. This is the shorter wig. There's two versions of Penny. There's a shorter version and then there's a 26-inch. I can't be doing all that hair, so I went with the regular Penny wig in the color S1B30. So what I'm going to do is show you guys how I get the style with this wig, but more importantly, you guys, I have found the most amazing defining cream. This defining cream is actually from Hair Escapades in Tarzana, California. It's an amazing cream for those of you who have natural hair, and also it works on wigs. So I decided today, I was like, well, let me just do an awesome 2-in-1. I really wanted to showcase this curly, kinky, cool defining cream. It's absolutely amazing. It smells amazing. Oh my gosh, you guys, I wish you could smell it. Here, smell it. Right? Doesn't that smell good? Literally, this cream is absolutely amazing, like I said, for the everyday woman who likes to rock the natural kinky look, and also for those of us who like to do wigs and protective styles. So today I'm going to show you how I like to wear this wig, and also I'm going to try this defining cream on this wig. So if you're interested in seeing how this wig works with this curly, kinky, cool Hair Escapades defining cream, keep watching. All right, let's do this. Outre Quick Weave Penny in a color S1B30. This is a synthetic half wig. I love it so much. Oh, it comes with a comb in the back and a comb in the front with adjustable straps. This wig is everything. All right, I'm gonna start with taking out a little bit of my leave out. What's good about this wig is that you don't need to use a lot of leave out, which is pretty amazing. Just a little bit more here. Yes. Next, I'm gonna take my water bottle and just dampen my hair, spray it down really, really good all the way through. Oh, this wig is so soft and pretty. Yes. Now I'm gonna go in with my curly, kinky, cool. Oh, it smells so good. I'm just gonna take a scoop of it, rub it in my hands, and slap it on this wig. Oh, you can already see the curls defining right away the moment that the product touches the wig. I have a little bit of shedding, but not much from this wig. Oh, this product is so amazing. Next, I'm gonna go in with my edge control, also from Hair Escapades, and just slick down these edges a little bit. I'm not gonna do anything crazy with my edges for this video, just because I really want you guys to see how well and how amazing this defining cream works. So I'm just gonna slick it down a little bit. Oh, so pretty. Curly, kinky, cool defining cream by Hair Escapades. Slayed this wig, love it so much. Definitely a must-have. Check out all the information in the description box. Thank you guys for watching this video, and until next time, bye!